Hello YouTube. Even though this isn't really what my channel is about, and it might seem a little scrambled, I decided to make this video about the PLUS500 trading platform, and we got it right here. I'm just gonna make it a bit bigger, like that. And obviously, you get this file you install, and you get this program. You log in, and here you are. So in here you can see the most popular, yeah, popular for investments. And yeah, I myself made a few favorites, which is the oil especially, and the Norwegian coin versus the Danish, cause that's yeah, it goes with the oil, cause yeah, cause Norway, like they feed on the oil, and if oil prices are low, the Norwegian coin are not worth very much, and that you can see right here. We got the low fuel prices, and yeah, the coin just topped, kind of. So yep, that makes it kind of fun. And of course the dollar versus the Danish coin, which is my coin, and the yeah, gold sometimes, but yeah. Yeah, how this works is that you can choose to either sell or buy an um, yeah, a product. Here we got the Brent oil, which is, yeah, some oil obviously, and you can see the graph for the sell value. And you might see it's, yeah, it's up and down, up and down. Yesterday it actually had a bottom at 27 point something, and you can see the extreme race we got. It was even down at 27.4, I think. Might be a little lower, I don't know. But that's, yeah, that's the bottom, and then it started raising, got fundings, and now it's all the way up here. So you might just wanna leave it at 5 minutes, and sometimes you wanna drop to 30 minutes to get a bigger view of how the actual graph is going. You can see that it went up here from 30, the 11th of January, down to the 27. I see that's 27.2 or something, and then it raised in just 2 days. Actually, it raised to 31 again, and this shows how the, yeah, how the value of this product is going. So we got this graph, and obviously you can see that whenever it goes up, it will go a bit down at least, and like always, up and down, all the way. Dum, 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 dum. So, and I can see that it's kind of down right now, so I might actually buy some of these, but not right now, actually. Yeah, and you can see at the details over here, you can see that yeah, you can see that this, where is it? It's there. Trading hours. It opens at 2 o'clock in, that's my country, and closes at 0, 0. That's, yeah, that's on Saturday. So yeah, like that's 22 hours Friday night and to midnight tonight actually, and that's how it goes all day. I think maybe it goes in weekends. I can't tell. And for having this, you'll have to um, once every every day you'll have to pay this small premium fine for borrowing the money for trading. And the reason why you have to pay 0.0142% of what you've uh, bought or shorted is that there's a leverage on on each purchase. So as you can see, if I go, I'm not buying if I click this, but I'm just looking into it. And as you can see here, current rate, that's the rate and value. We got $15,500. That's equal to 106,000 Danish crowns. So, and because of the gearing, which says, I think was it 1 to 152, yeah, and this is divided by 152. We can just try calculate it. Divided by 152. Oh, that's not right. We'll just go with that. Divided by 152, and we get 703. That's approximately that, and that makes you able to earn more money faster or lose even more money faster. That's up to you, really, and that means if it's really easy to make profit or to lose money in this. As you can see, there's 31. I can set it to, yeah, buy. That obviously means that you're betting that this graph is going up, and um, yeah, now it's 31.08, and I can choose at this. There's an option close at profit when rate is 31.35, and that's if it reaches this point, and if that happens, it will close the position, and um, I will get uh, have I'll be added 900 Danish crowns to my account. That's approximately, I don't, 130 $40 or uh, yeah, a bit less in euros obviously. And of course you can do that at loose rate as well. If it gets all the way down here, please just close it, and yeah, before it goes out of my hands. And so that's some security you can do. But you can see that just by adding the just by adding point 0.3 to this, you actually get 1100 Danish crowns. So that's kind of a lot for just a quick position. So that's the that's the leverage thing, and it's pretty smart, but it's kind of risky too. And there's different leverage on different products. For example, we got the Danish crown versus Norway crown, and there the leverage is up to 200. That's the maximum leverage, I think. But yeah, but you have to be careful about this, because you can lose a lot of money, and yeah, that's but sure you can win as well. And you might have noticed now that there's a difference between the sell and the buy price. Like a normal market. You can't just buy something and just sell it at the same price to the same people. So yeah, and that is really what they earn the money on. But at Brand Oil, I know that each tick of this is 34 Danish crowns, and yeah, it's not a big deal really. Two ticks is about 10 euros. Yeah, approximately, not quite, but yeah, you start with mine. If you open this position and press short, you'll start off with minus 70 Danish crowns on my account, or minus 10 euros approximately. And yeah, that's what they earn their money on. And for each product, there's um, different differences between sell and buy price. At this, you can see there's entire 10 in point 10 in difference, and at this one there's 2 as well. That's oil as well. And gold, there's entirely 47, I think, kinda. And it's different from each product. And obviously you want these, if the the graph aren't going up and down very much, you want these numbers to be very close so that you can easily make a profit, so that you don't have to, yeah, just, yeah, so that it doesn't get a long-term investment. And yeah, so you can see my closed positions I got here. I lost a lot of money too, but I earned something on the side as well. Something I started doing here is to make a buy and a short at the same rate at the same time, and I actually wait for it to go up or down if I don't know, and when I know that it won't go any higher, I just sell the good one. Like this one I sold it for, I earned 310 Danish crowns, and then the graph went a little down, and I thought, yeah, it might not get lower than this, so I just uh, closed the position, and I then lost 137 Danish crowns. So overall for this investment I just earned 160, 70 Danish crowns, and the same I did here. I just earned, yeah, that's 230 something. Um, so that's a way to do it. If you don't know if it's going up or going down, you can just say I call both, and I'll see where it goes. Now we can see this one is actually kind of heading upwards, I think. No, I don't take the risk. It might just go down. It's so risky with the oil right now. But for the entertainment of the video and demonstration, and so I will I will do this. Um, yeah, is it just like this? So, and we are just gonna hit the buy button, and we might just wanna sell it at the lowest price possible, so we can wait just a few seconds. It might just drop down a bit. 13, 14. I'll buy it at 30, 12. We buy that. So it takes a few seconds, and there we go. We got, yep, and it raised to 14 again, and we are in zero now. That is the price that we bought it for. So now it dropped to 11 and 09 and 08, blah blah blah, and we obviously get more minus on the score. So that's yeah, that's kind of bad for us, but yeah, I think it will go up again, no problem. As this is just demonstration, I might just close this. Now we got the profit, and yeah, just a tick more, please. Last tick, last, one more. Come on, come on, you can do it, you can do it. Yeah, yeah, that's how. And we got it actually ended at 275, I think. Yeah, that's great. So now I got 2112. So that's how easy it is. It might just have gone the now you can see it's actually raising and even more forward. In here you can see the rate you closed at. I closed at 31.22, and that's the rate right now. So that's great. If it just yeah. But it was just a quick investment, and yeah. But if it had gone the other way, I might just have wanted to make this loss thing, and so that I wouldn't lose like my 2000 in no time. But if I bet it was going to get down, I would have chosen short, and I could have said when it reached this point, please close and give me 900,000 crowns. So that's a way to do it. And obviously I just earned some money, and that's just great, and it goes around for me. But yeah, that's pretty much how to use this platform. And oh, I will show you another feature. You can obviously, if you find things in here all popular, there are forex and virtual money, which is Bitcoin, for example. Yeah, and then there's options for countries if they're going up or down. No, or is it just companies? Yeah, shares. We got Denmark. Obviously, we got Novo Nordic, Carlsberg, Coloplast, Danish Bank, Genmap, uh, Novo Nordisk right there, and yeah, they are very expensive, big company. So yeah, you can browse around here and you can mark them as favorites. And also, if you've invested money or you want to invest in something and you're just waiting for the, the graph and you aren't quite watching it all the time, you can just make this price alert, and you can say that if this reaches, let's say, um, if it reaches 2021, please give me a message. And yeah, so if this one reaches 21, I think I will get a message. I'll just make one below that as well, so that you can hear it in a second. And yeah, I can choose only by email or by SMS, or yeah, that I get both, so that's fine. And they are incredibly fast to send out these mails. It takes no time. I will just edit that. No, I couldn't do that. No, then give me the. Come on. I wanted to do that. Yeah, price alert. Brand oil. I just got a message. It says sell, and it just reached both. I can see 21 first and then 16. So that's that's how that's another feature, and I think it's smart and genius. As you can see, the investment I made before, I opened at 14 and closed at 22. So I closed around here and I closed here. So that's this jump, and it was pretty good because that's the max point right there, and now it's going down again. Of course, it would have been better if I just started here and went all the way up here, but it's hard to predict, and yeah, you can read some oil news if you want to speculate very much in it, but I highly recommend using the closer loss one, because you don't want to lose all the money on your account. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and please tell me if anything could have been better. I might make a remake of this video because yeah, it's kind of boring maybe. And yeah, please hit the like if you liked it, and then I might make some other videos about same stuff. I know that it's a bit scrambled on my channel, but yeah, that's just the way it has to be. I might make separate channels and so, but for now I'm just, yeah, putting in a bunch of stuff on this King 66. So thank you guys for watching, and yeah, leave your comments. Bye guys.